That is rude. That is rude. Stop. You.
Pair this audio with the last video of your pet. Don't let your cat pet you and see what he does.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Can't a hoe tell me shit, cause bitch I'm the shit. Oh, my mom and my sis had to kick my own blood out. They must forgot I was a crip. Scoop!
Hey yo, rich cat check. Meow 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 meow. I am spoiled kitty. I'm a kitty who takes everything for granted. I love you, dog.
Cause bitch I'm the shit.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep. Dad, you like it?
Are you kidding me?
Right? This is so much fun.
Are you serious?
Dude, you're ruining our bubble bath.
What have you done to my cats?
We're just enjoying our time.
This isn't normal.
Yes, it is.
There's nothing about this is normal. Oh my God. Let me get you guys out. Hold on. Give me just a towel. Let me get a towel.
I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Gonna never love one like you. Boats and boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I'll be here never out with you. We'll laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot.
Are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
Here comes the boy.
Slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute. The feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I think I'm close to knowing. She keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time.
You did it. You fucks.
That my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need Wow!
My finger.
Guys, I taught my cat to laugh. Okay, ready? Hold on. Kotar. Can I get the ha ha? Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Hey, don't be surprised if one day I just...
And remember, with a little Rusty's and an insane amount of luck, you too can look like me. Ka-chow.
If you didn't see it, flip your phone the other way.
Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up.
At first, I was like, feet, as a joke. But bro, I don't think it's a joke anymore.
I got 3 looks, and that's it. Yeah.
Could I interest you in everything, all of the time? A little bit of everything, all of the time. Well, well, look who's inside again. CEO, entrepreneur, born in 1960.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Now look at this.
Yeah. Could I?
This is me as a potato, but look at my cat is a potato.
Just can't say goodbye.
I just wanna be appreciated.
That's why I love Nestle Crunch.
I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me?
shaving my Persian cat for the first time? Here we go. Fur. More fur. Just a couple more touch-ups. Yay, done.
Some give it to, some give it to, some give it to our girls. 5,040,000 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls, all my girls. Chanda Paul say, well, on the way the time.
It's the final brain cell.
When your kitten thinks he's a rabbit too.
Y la cosa suena ra, y la cosa suena ra. Scooby-Doo papá, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum.
I thought I'd share the cutest thing I've ever recorded.
What I thought leash training my cat would be like. How it went.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Y la cosa suena.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Con las uñas te puedo arañar. Cat, kitty, cat, cat, kitty, cat, cat. Corta las cámaras, córtala ya. Cat, cat, catarán.
Where should I put my shoes? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You say, put them on your head. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You make me un poco loco.
The hard way, so never let it get that far because of you.
This is for my cat people. If you have a little kitty like I do who just wants to play all day when you have to work, this is the perfect toy. It's the cat lady equivalent of sticking your child in front of an iPad, and it is saving my life. It's off
Post the
Amazon.
video that made you go viral.
Tachi. Tachi.